Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
Before we start with another episode of Eat Right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Breakfast is said to be the most important meal of the day, giving you the energy to tackle whatever comes your way. But with busy schedules and morning rushes, it's often the first meal to be skipped. Whether it's because of work, taking care of family, or just not having enough time to cook, breakfast often gets overlooked. This is especially true for working women who have to make food for their families and then rush to work, and for students living in hostels who struggle to find quick, healthy options. Skipping breakfast though can leave you feeling tired and sluggish, making it hard to stay focused throughout the day. But don't worry, we got some quick and healthy breakfast recipes that are easy to make, taste great, and are packed with nutrients to keep you fueled all morning long. So the first recipe is chila. Kick off your day with chila, a protein-rich pancake made from besan. It's super easy to make and packed with fiber and nutrients, especially protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Just mix besan with water, spices, and chopped veggies like spinach, carrots, or tomatoes to make a batter. Cook it on a hot pan until both sides are golden brown, and there you go, a warm, healthy breakfast that's ready in no time. Another option is vermicelli. If you're looking for something light yet filling, vermicelli upma is perfect. It's made from roasted vermicelli and loaded with veggies, giving you a good mix of complex carbohydrates and fiber. Vermicelli provides a steady release of energy, while the vegetables add essential vitamins and minerals. Roast the vermicelli until it's golden, saute your veggies with spices, add the vermicelli, pour in some water, and let it cook. It's a quick and satisfying way to start your day. Another option is oats pancake. Who said pancakes cannot be healthy? Oats pancake is a great option if you want something tasty. Oats are rich in dietary fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps you full longer. Blend oats into flour, mix it with milk, eggs, and a pinch of baking powder, and cook it on a hot pan until golden. Top it with fresh fruit or honey, and you've got a breakfast that's both delicious and good for your heart. If you're in mood for something comforting, upma is a classic choice. Made from semolina, it's rich in iron and vitamin B, which are great for boosting energy levels. The sorted vegetables add fiber and antioxidants. Roast the semolina, saute some veggies with spices, add the semolina and water, and cook until it's fluffy. It's a warm, satisfying meal that's easy to make and perfect for busy mornings. For those on the go, a smoothie is a quick and nutritious option. This creamy blend of a banana, oats, dates, almonds, and milk is not only delicious but also packed with fiber and healthy fats. The oats provide sustained energy, while the almonds add a dose of vitamin E, which is great for your skin. Just blend all the ingredients until smooth, pour into a glass, and you're good to go. For vegetarians, an egg sandwich is a great way to get your proteins, carbs, and healthy fats in one go. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and essential amino acids, while whole grain bread provides fiber for digestive health. Use whole grain breads, eggs, and your choice of veggies or cheese. Whether you like your eggs scrambled or fried, just toast your bread, put it all together, and you're good to go. It's a quick and easy breakfast that's perfect when you're short on time. These breakfast options have got you covered. They're easy to make, full of nutrients, and most importantly, they taste great. So start your day right with these simple recipes. Keep watching Eat Right and let me know your suggestions in comment section below.